Hi, welcome to the part 2 of video series on academic writing, references and citations. In the first video I posted earlier, we just gave an introduction about what is reference and what is citations and what are the relationship and how important is to have references and citations in your work, in your assignment or in your report. So in this video, my focus is to show how Microsoft Word can be used to automatically cite your work and to provide corresponding references at the end of your report. So imagine I have opened Microsoft Word and I've made all the customization which I need. I've selected the font style to be Times New Roman, font size is 12 and space width is 1.5, and here it is properly aligned. So when you work on a report, definitely you should be having introduction of your report. In the introduction you will be talking about objective of your report. If you're working on a company, you would be giving a brief profile of your company. Then you will give structure of your report. For example, if you're working on some 5 different tasks in your report, how each task is structured in the body of report. So imagine I've selected a topic called compensation strategy and its relationship business strategy. So your assignment is about compensation strategy and its relationship with business strategy. So here, to begin with, you should be defining what is compensation generally, what is compensation strategy, and then how different it would be based on the differences in the business strategy of your organization. So definitely you would be referring to various journals, various articles, textbooks, reference books, and the lots of internet sources to complete your report. So let's open one internet source. Okay, here I have opened the Google, and in the Google I have typed compensation and business strategy. One of the easiest method for you to refer for the journals or articles when you work on an assignment is to find some keywords. For example, if you're working about the role of HR in the compensation strategy, you would be typing role of HR human resource management in the compensation strategy. Kind of, you should be using some keywords to get the information. Or if you're working about importance of training in an organization, you can type keywords like importance of training, impacts of training, effectiveness of training in an organization, relationship between training and the productivity of the organization. Kind of, you should be finding with certain keywords. And after that, if you noticed here, I have typed as PDF. What does this PDF mean? So when you type for an article in the internet, if you're typing PDF, most probably, most likely, you would get a lot of articles which is freely available in the internet sources. You don't have to pay for that. So here I've generated a lot of articles related to the compensation and business strategy. Let's open one, matching compensation and organizational strategies. So here, when you open this, it's clear that it's a journal article, Strategic Management Journal, and this is the heading of the article, and David B. Balkin is the author, first author, and this is the second author. Let's see how are we going to use this information specifically in your report. Okay, here, under the compensation strategy and its relationship with business strategy, you'd be, as I told you earlier, you'd be talking generally about compensation strategy, business strategy, their relationships and everything. And imagine you are getting some information from that, maybe you're saying that compensation differs as the compensation differs as the business strategy of an organization changes. Kind of, you get, maybe you got this particular point from the article which we opened earlier, from this journal, from this article. So how would you cite it? So you go to the references, and here you would be seeing something called style. Style means different universities, different colleges, different journals would be asking you to use different styles of referencing. So generally, in the in most of the universities, most of the colleges, most preferred or widely used referencing style is Harvard Anglia or Harvard style of referencing. So let's use it. It's Harvard style, and you go to the insert citation, add new source. clear. So type of the source. Here you have various type of the source. You have book session, journal article, conference proceedings, websites, document from the websites. You have so many sections. So you open journal article because we have seen that this is a journal article. So you select your style as the journal article, then you give the name of the author. So when you give the name of the author, generally you have to give the last name first. So to avoid confusion, the easiest method to fill in this particular part is select edit. Then it is giving you option for giving the last name, first name and the middle name. So let's say the last name is Balkin. Let's copy this, paste here. Then first name is David. Alright, then you press add. So here you have other authors as well. So you have two authors in this particular work, and which is Gomez Mejia is the last name. You just copy this, put here, and the first name is Lewis. You are seeing here this B and R. These are the middle names. So you can put middle name as R. You press add, then you press OK. So you are done with this particular part. You have done with details about the author. Now we have to give the title of the article, which is Matching Compensation and Organizational Strategies. Matching compensation and organizational strategies. Journal name, Strategic Management Journal. So year is 1990. Pages, this is the page number of this particular article in that journal. So 153 to 169. 153 to 169. Volume is 11. So you have something called issue here. Some of the journals you will be getting issue details, but in this particular journal we are not able to get it. So as it is not there, let's keep it blank. So you press OK, then this is automatically inserted. Here, when you have two authors in an article, it will be coming like Balkin and Gomez Mejia. This is first author and this is the second author, and this is the year of the publication. Now, to have a more understanding about this topic, let's refer to any other one. Let's see one more example. I'm opening one journal article which is already saved in my laptop. This is about Herbert S. Simon and the concept of rationality, boundaries and procedures. This is one article which is already saved in my laptop. So let's see how are we citing this particular work in your report. So this is a journal article again, Brazilian Journal of Political Economy, volume is 30, issue is the 3, and this is the page number, and this is the year of the detail here. So here, so maybe you're getting an idea from this article like So here, this particular sentence, rationality is the basis of all economic theories, you got from that article. You have noticed that I've put it in the inverted commas. That means, or in the quotations, that means you are copying exactly as it is from that particular article and you're pasting it in your document. So you'll have to put it in the quotations so that it's very clear to the readers that you have put them as it is and you have from an article. So how would you cite it? Again, let's go to the references. Insert, the style is already selected Harvard. Insert citation, add news source, and we have said that it's journal article. Give the name of the author here. So let's see who is the name of the author. This is the name of the author. So the last name is Barros. So let's go to the edit. Last name, first name, press add and OK because there is only one author. Then give the title. This is the title. You copy and paste here of rationality, boundaries and procedures, journal name, Brazilian Journal of Political Economy. Journal name is Brazilian Journal of Political Economy. Year is 2010. Pages, this is 455 to 472. 472. Volume is 30 and issue is 3. Press OK and we just come here. So this is how you are citing a journal, 2 examples of citing a journal article in your work, and this is an indirect citation in a way like you are using an idea and you're putting them in your own words, and here it is a direct quotation wherein you're copying exactly a same sentence from an article and you're pasting it in your report without making any changes. Then after this you have to provide your own justifications, your own support further to this. You have to provide clear explanations related to this. So let's go to another example. Maybe you're working on the market structure. Maybe you have an assignment or something, a topic on the market structure. You're working on the market structure. Let's see. Let's go again to the internet to search for the articles. So I'm searching for market structure PDF. I told you earlier we will have to search for the PDF. Then there are so many articles coming in, and let's see which one to open. Okay, you open any one. Market structure, theory and evidence. So this is an article we got about the market structure written by John Sutton. So this is not a journal article because it's not written somewhere here. So let's see how are we going to cite it. So you go to the reference, you're talking about something about the market structure, you're giving some explanations or you're getting some idea from that particular article, and you will be giving the XYZ details here. Then go to the references again, it's Harvard style, insert citation, add news source. It's not a journal article, so it's a document from the website. So let's go to the document from the website. You give the author, edit, last name was Sutton and the first name was John. Press add and OK because there is only one author. So name of the web page, you give this title there, market structure, theory and evidence. Name of the website, which is not clearly given, but it's very clear that it's London School of Economics. So either here name of the website or in the production company, you just give London School of Economics. Year, let's see where is the year. Okay, 2006. Year accessed is 2016. Month accessed is 11. Day accessed is 15. And URL, you have to copy this URL and paste here. Press OK, and here you go. This is already inserted. Now let's see how to cite some information you get from a book. So here insert citation, add new source. In the type of the source, you select the book, you give the name of the author, last name first name, press add, OK. Title of the book, maybe Oman and its culture. Year 2015, city Muscat, publisher maybe Middle East College, MSc. Then you press OK. So here is how you would cite an information you got from a book. So here, after doing everything, to insert the bibliography or the references, you go to the, under the references, you go to the bibliography and select any of the styles given, and you press it by the, after you are done with your report. At the end of your report or the assignment, you go to the references, press this bibliography and press any one particular style, then your references or bibliography is already inserted. This is how you are citing and doing the references using Microsoft Word in your report and the journals. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you.